Hey, join me in this quick video to see me do some things that are sketchy, and just so I can have lights in the garage, because I'm tired of not being able to see what I'm doing and losing my tools and screws and things like that. So join me. Hopefully I don't electrocute myself. So these lights, I got these lights off Amazon. I already put some in. Like, where are they? Right? These, see? I already put these in, but I gotta wire them up better. I gotta like put an outlet in, and maybe figure out a way I can turn them off and on with a switch on the wall instead of the switch that's on the cord. But might run the outlet from there, move that one, and I can move that up here and put it on the switched wire. We'll see if that works. I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully I don't electrocute myself. I'm good with wiring anyways, but you know, it's electrical stuff. Gotta be safe. So I'm gonna turn off the breaker and we're gonna try to get this moved. Alright, so there's the switch is right there, and that circuit goes up and comes across, goes to this light, and then shared, and then the wire goes across, goes to this light, and then it goes to this light, and then it goes over there, and yeah, it looks like it goes in a big loop. So we're just gonna cut maybe right here, and then we can put the outlet right there, and then we can have this set of lights right here on this side, and then have another set right here. Let's do that. These came from Amazon. You can tell because of how detailed the branding is on it, right? I don't know what brand they are. I guess they're 4-foot LED linkable shop light brand. But this is what I got. And so far they're pretty bright. Let's open them up. I use a screwdriver to open boxes, or a key, or a rock. Hardware, more hardware, and some more lights. Look, they're so quality. Thin plastic. Let's get the rest of this open. Oh, it worked. Cool. Alright. Well, it didn't work on these though. We'll pick up trash later. Oh. Put some things. Let's get the first one put in. Moment of truth. Hallelujah. I see the light. I see it. It's so bright. Beautiful. I see more mess. I can see everything that's messy. So if you guys need some lights, this is not a paid sponsorship or affiliate link or anything like that, but I'll put the link to the lights that I got in the video details section, right? So if you need lights, need cheap ones like this, some that are cheap but they're bright. I mean, 30 right now, I think they're like 38 bucks maybe, I don't know, but still a set of 4 is 40, like 38, $40 right now, compared to the Harbor Freight light, which this one's great. It runs nonstop. You know, both of these nonstop. That one's off. They run nonstop 24/7. They've been on for like 2 years, and I paid $40, I think, for one. But a set of 4 for these that are very bright, 40 bucks, and they're linkable. So you know, you can do like I did. Get you an outlet. Have one, you know, fixed that's on a switch, and then you can run the plug to it and turn it on and off, or use, you know, a wireless thing to turn it on and off through your phone, or maybe through Google or Alexa or something. But yeah, check it out if you need some lighting. And now you guys get to see the lovely mess that I have in this garage that I hopefully will eventually clean up when I can get time to be able to load up a truck, or a dumpster actually, because there's a lot. And you get to see me work on this some more, or maybe the next truck. So thanks for watching. See you guys next time, and stay warm if it's cold where you're at.